Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, my name is Uwaz. If you've been here before, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I transformed this beautiful queen, a fellow YouTuber, PJ Lifestyle. If you're here, you want to see how I beat this face from looking like this to this beautiful look. Stay tuned, keep on watching. And also, if you don't know PJ Lifestyle, she's got a cooking channel, so I'll leave all her information in the description bar so you can go check her out after this video. Now, without further delay, let's dive into the video. Okay, now to do the brows, I'm going in with my Benefit Precisely My Brow in number 5 and also the brow gel. It's also in color number 5. I'm using the Precisely My Brow to outline the brow and define the shape, and to fill in the brow I'm going to go in with the brow gel. So I'm doing that, and once I am done, I'm going to go in and define the brows. Okay, now to define the brows, I am going to be using my MAC Studio Finish Concealer in NW45 and NW50. For the bottom brows, I'm using NW45, and for the top, I'll be using NW50 because that's closer to our skin tone. Okay, guys, I just want to warn you guys, this video was fun throughout. PJ made me laugh so much that sometimes I forgot, I lost track of what I was doing. So as you can see throughout the video, we were laughing, we're having fun. We recorded a video which is called Truth or Drink. That's going to be on PJ Lifestyle channel. So guys, if you haven't seen that, make sure you go and check that out. I will leave the link of that in my description as well, and also I'll leave a link to her video at the end of this video. So guys, go check that out and you'll see why we laughed so much. We had so much fun recording this makeup look. It was amazing. I enjoyed myself. I couldn't stop laughing throughout. Now I have gone ahead to prime the eyelid. Like I always say, you have to prime the lid before applying any colors, and today I used the MAC eyeshadow primer. So first, to set the eyeshadow base, I'm using my Too Faced Peach palette. I'm taking the shade from there and to just set the eyeshadow base. If I miss anything out, I'll make sure that I leave that in the description, so don't forget to check that out. Seasons change, but we're the same. Even if I lost my money, the zero runs deep, honey, and I don't need to speak a single word. Okay, now I'm taking the palette by Juvia's Place. I think it's called the Magic palette. So I'm taking a blue shade from that palette and I'm kind of defining the outer V and also kind of blending that into her crease line and just making sure that I blend as much as I can. I went a couple of times back into the palette just to define that V and make sure there's a color payoff. So now I'm going in with another Juvia's Place palette. I'm taking the shimmer shade there and I'm just applying that to the lid and just to define or make sure that lid pop a little bit. Okay. So that's basically what I'm just doing. I'm doing that all over and all over. Like I said before, it was fun. We had so much fun, and at one point I had to tell PJ, put your phone away, put your phone down. However, she was supporting people on YouTube, so we are YouTubers, so we support as well. So guys, if you have not seen that video where me and PJ did a truth or drink, that's what the video is called, you get to know us more. Go check that out, and I'll leave all the information in my description, and also at the end of this video I'll leave a link to it. So once you finish watching this video, I recommend you go and check that video out as well. You would laugh. I'm telling you, you would laugh throughout. Okay, now I'm going in with the lashes, and today I am using my Uwaz lashes. Yes, Oh Sheba this. Yes, I've got my lashes. So that's basically what I'm using on her because she wears glasses. So we went for a very small, natural looking lashes. Can you just see that? Look at that. That looks so natural. You won't even tell that she's got lashes on. It looks like a natural lash. Guys, it's coming soon. It's not out yet. I'll let you all know when the lashes are finally out on my website so you can go support your girl. Yes. Okay, enough of that. I can't stop saying this. Look at these lashes. Oh my gosh. The eyes, the lashes, everything just complement the look. Now for her foundation, I'm using my NARS foundation. I mixed two colors together. Look at that matching, guys. Look at that. How well does that match her skin tone? I perfectly match her skin tone, guys. Oh, I just feel so happy when I see my work. It's so beautiful. Look at everything is just coming together. The foundation, we don't want to go too overboard with foundation, so I'm making it look so natural, giving it that hairbrush finish touch. Okay, now after applying the foundation, I noticed the concealer I used for her top brow was a little bit too light for her skin tone. So what I'm going to do now is to use the same foundation and just define that top brow. You will see the difference. Some people like it like that. That's fine, but I don't. So now you can see the difference between the before and after. Look at that. So for our concealer, I am using, I think it was NARS. It's a NARS concealer for my palette, my pro palette that I created. So that's basically what I use. And to blend that for the chin, I'm using my brush because I feel like it's easier for me to blend with brush. And for the forehead as well, I use my brush. But however, for under our eyes, I am using a beauty sponge for underneath our eyes. You have to ensure that the sponge is damp, not dry, not too wet, just damp. And yes, voila, look at how easy and effortlessly that blends. Now to contour, we're using this Kiko's foundation stick. I've just gone, it was too funny. There were so many places where we laughed too much, so I couldn't put those clips in. So now I have gone ahead and set her face. I use my Laura Mercier setting powder, and to set the rest of her face, I'm taking this Mineralized Skin Finish by MAC in dark deepest, just to set the rest of her face. People change, but not us, and we just chillin', kicking it, kissed by the sun, could be soaked to the skin in the monsoon. Finish the eye look. I'm taking the same colors from the same palette that I used earlier on, just to define that underneath her eyes. I am using, you can see it just complement the look and making sure that everything blends seamlessly. Guys, just look at these eyes, look at these lashes, look at everything. I'm telling you guys, PJ was on her phone throughout. It was so funny. Oh well, but it was fun. She was supporting the fellow YouTubers like ourselves, so we are all here to support. So guys, if you are here and you still have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, I don't know what you're waiting for. I think you should hit that subscribe button and click the bell notification so you don't miss out on any of my upload. Look at these lashes. Look at that. They are beautiful. Now for the lips, I'm taking the lipstick by MAC. This lipstick is called Smoke Purple. I'm going to be using that to outline her lips, just line the top and the bottom bit before going in with a liquid lipstick. And that liquid lipstick is also by MAC. I can't remember the name on top of my head, but I will leave all the information in the description, so make sure you check that out if you want to know all the product that I use. Here is the finished look. Yes, finally we are done. The cheeks are popping, the lips are on fleek, the eyes are on top of this word. She is feeling the look, I am feeling the look, we are feeling the look. Guys, look at this, look at this, look at this smile, look at this color. Everything just blends so well and so effortlessly. So guys, thank you for watching and we'll see you in our next one. Bye.